Got the back wall all boarded up. Little step closer. Put the top vents together and in place. Little steps will eventually get you there. My tiny house in the hole. And up here on the side, here's a cactus. I'm being careful not to dislodge it and knock it in the hole or anything. Planning on leaving that there. So, not major progress, but progress is progress. I'll get there one of these days. Things are going a little bit slower because spring is getting here and I'm doing more plant stuff now. Well, maybe not spring yet, but warmer weather. So, for now, here's where we're at.